Somehow we fell in love, then fell right out of touch. And ooh, that was hard, but ooh, here we are. And it's easier to walk away than to look for what would make you stay. Remember when we
Actually, walang ganun nangyari. Walang ganung ligawan na nangyari. Kumbaga parang common lang, nagka-chat lang din, pumunta siya sa store, pumupunta ako sa store. Parang nagbibigay lang ako ng coffee. Then, nagbibigay rin siya ng food, parang ganun. And then, ayun na, nagkaroon na ng label.
Sino ka ulit?
Lalaki niya.
Oh my God. B. Ready na ako matapos sa mga beno.
when you take somebody for
Pinakabigay ni Kim.
Parang lugi ako dito. Gulat ka, no? Ako din, eh. For my future CEO, you deserve the best. Hope you like it. See you in a bit. I love you. Bakit siya? I think di ko masasagot yan sa dami. Pero ewan ko, siguro I pray for someone na magpapatino din sa akin. So ayun, so sabi ko siguro I pray before na siguro makahanap ng magpapatino sa akin. And then ayun yung binigay.
Sabi ko noon, ayoko nang magkaroon ng boyfriend, tapos ayoko nang makakilala. I pray na kung makakilala man ako ng someone, siya na.
Oh, Nico, do you accept? Do you welcome Kim as your lawful wife?
I do, basta.
Yeah. Kim, do you accept and welcome Nico as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do. Matagal nito eh.
Babe, I love. I stand before you today. I hope that you like my little gift. Little yon. And now we will create a new memories and spend a lot of time in the rest of our life. I love you. At my reminder, wag mong isanla. Thank you.
I promise to love you above all others and value you in my life as a precious gift. I promise to stand beside you as your husband and friend in sickness or health as long as we live, like song Nothing Gonna Stop Us. That's all. And I love you.
So, marriage is all about communion. The common union. It is all about God, Nico, and Kim. You are not enemy. You are a love team.
First of all, love, thank you. And then, finally, after 7 years, this is it. Siyempre, ito na yung araw na yun na ikakasal tayo. And then, I always love you.
Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Not anyone.
Hi! Hello to my last and forever, Nico Manzales. And starting tomorrow, I will do my best to keep that promise. I declare in the name of Jesus that no one can stop us. I love you, Nico.
If it's not you, it's